Hi friends, our next topic is from regular expressions to finite automata. Okay, so we have to convert regular expression to finite automata. We have three steps. Okay, the first one is construct a transition diagram for a given regular expression by using a NFA with eMoves. Okay, first it will allows the eMoves. Then the second step is convert the NFA with eMoves to the NFA without eMoves. It means epsilon moves. First we have to construct the transition diagram for a given regular expression. For example, we'll take the example further. Then you can understand easily. So first you have to construct the transition diagram for the given regular expression by using the NFA with eMoves. Okay, NFA with eMoves. Next, we have to convert the NFA with eMoves to the NFA to without eMoves. Okay, in the first step we have to allow the with eMoves and without eMoves, and the third step is convert the NFA to the equivalent DFA. Okay, what is the first step? Construct a transition diagram for a given regular expression by using the NFA with eMoves. Next we have to construct the NFA with the eMoves to without eMoves, without epsilon moves, and the third step is convert the NFA to the equivalent DFA. See, if you will see the example, you can understand easily. So, for example, my problem is convert the following regular expression into equivalent DFA. So the given regular expression is 0, 1, 0 plus 1 star 0. This is my regular expression. Okay, so we have to convert this regular expression to DFA. Okay, what is our first step? What is our first step? Before we have discussed, no? Our first step is we have to construct the transition diagram for a given regular expression by using the NFA with the eMoves. With eMoves we have to write first. For this solution, what is a given regular expression consisting of 1, 0 plus 1 star and 0. These are the three individual things are consisting of. Now see, what is the first step? We have to construct the transition diagram by allowing the epsilon moves. What is the initial state? Q naught. It will move to 1. Then now what I have to write? Epsilon with the moves, no? So Q2, then 0 plus 1. I can write as 0 comma 1. Next one is Q3 epsilon. Next Q4. What will get? 0. So this is the final state. See here, 1 epsilon with eMoves. 0 plus 1. This is a self loop and this is a epsilon. Q3 0 final state. So the first step is convert the regular expression to equivalent NFA with eMoves. Our the second step is, this is a step 1. Coming to the step 2. So what is the step 2? Construct the NFA without epsilon moves. Now Q naught with 1 it will move to Q1, then self loop 0 comma 1, then 0 Q2. This is by eliminating a without eMoves. Okay, by eliminating the epsilon, by allowing the epsilon moves, by eliminating the epsilon moves or without epsilon moves. So this is our needed DFA. Okay, so without null transition for the regular expression 0, 0 plus 1 star 0. This is our final solution. This is our final solution. See, I'll tell you one thing for easy understanding purpose. For example, our regular expression is A. Then you have to write it as A. Okay. If it is A into B, if it is AB, our regular expression is AB. Then Q naught A, Q2 B. Okay, A means A, B. For example, my regular expression is A plus B. Okay, means Q naught, Q1 final state. This is A. Okay, and A plus B means B. Okay, for just better understanding purpose, I am saying this one. Okay, if it is only A, Q naught to Q1. If it is AB, A, B. A plus B means A, B. Clear? Okay. Okay, with this we have finished our first unit. Okay, so and we'll try the one more example for the regular expression to finite automata. Then it is very means easy to understand. You can clarify all the means. See, my regular expression is 1 0 0 plus 1 1 0 star 1. This is my regular expression. I have to convert into what? DFA. Now, first with epsilon moves, then without epsilon moves, then DFA. My step 1. Step 1. Directly Q naught to Q1 final state. So 1 0 0 plus 1 1 0 star 1. Next, step 2. What is the step 2? Q naught. It is consisting of plus. I told you already. Plus means like this you will get. Yes or no? Okay. 1 0. This is 0 plus 1 1 0 star 1. Clear? Now step 3. So it is multiplication 0 1 1 0. The next one is 0 plus 1 1 into 0 star 1. So we can write it as Q naught initial state. Okay. Now 1 Q1. Then it will come to the here Q2 Q3. See, Q naught to 0 1. Then here 1 1 and 0. See here. And next Q3 to this is 0 1. Next with the 0 you will get Q naught 1 2 3 4. 4. It will go directly here with the 1. Okay. Don't get confused. 1 0. So 1 0 I am writing Q naught to 1 0. Till here it's okay, clear. Q naught to final state is going. Next, our expression is 0 1 1 0 star 1. Okay. First 0. Okay. 0 will come here. Next, 0 plus 1 1 means same, the direction is same, but it is coming 1 1 1 1. Okay. 0 1 1. The final state is same for this 2. Okay. 0 plus 1 1. We have discussed, no, A plus B means Q naught to Q1. How it will go? This is A, this is B. Like that 0 1 1. Next 0 star self loop. Again 1 means it will go to the final state. Okay. First we are writing with allowing A moves and we have to remove the epsilon moves. Then we have to we will get the finally our needed direct finite deterministic finite automata. Okay. Thank you.